How to turn on comments on YouTube. Building a community with your viewers in the comments will speed up the growth of your channel. It's crucial to understand how to enable comments on YouTube videos for this reason. There are a few straightforward ways to enable comments on your YouTube videos. You have the option of turning on comments by default or specifically for particular videos. How to enable comments by default on PC. Open the browser and in the address bar write studio.youtube.com. Sign into YouTube Studio if you are not logged onto your account. From the left menu, select Settings. Click on Upload Defaults. Click on Advanced Settings. Now scroll down to Comments. Select Allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Click Save. Now when a video is uploaded, it will have comments enabled by default. How to turn on comments for an individual video on a PC. If you want people to comment under a particular video, change the comment settings on your video page. From the left menu, select Content. Click a video's thumbnail or the Edit button. Scroll down and then click Show More. Under Comments and Ratings, choose your comment settings. Select Allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Click Save. You have now allowed comments on this video. How to turn on comments for an individual video on Android. To turn on comments for the individual video, you need to install the Studio app from Google Play. Open the YouTube Studio app. Click on the Content tab. Select the video and tap on the three dots menu from the video. Select Edit. Tap on More. Tap on Comments. Select Allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Tap on the Back button. Tap again on the Back button. Tap Save. You have now turned on comments on this YouTube video. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.